In this video, I'll show you how to create a gentle opening where floral elements bloom onto the screen and reveal your video in an elegant and welcoming way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the greeting feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Floral Greeting, then apply it. Once applied, floral elements bloom and spread across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a soft and graceful feel. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how slowly the flowers bloom. Shorter duration makes the reveal light and quick. Longer duration slows it down, adding elegance and warmth. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the floral motion matches your greeting or message. And that's it, you've successfully added a floral greeting reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.